Distant words are whispered softly in your ear. Look into my eyes through darkness of the night. Passion grows inside of us, sharing